Hello everybody, back out here. Wind's blowing 23 miles an hour. Might mess my video up, but thought about bringing my boat out today, but there's too much wind. Gonna wait till tomorrow. They're only calling for 2 mile an hour wind. So I'm down here at Panther Creek boat ramp, trying to see how much the water's came up. Pretty low right now. Got a couple of people kayaking, another man and woman putting a boat in. This will be a good place to fish in my small flat bottom in the summer when the water's up, but man, that's some big old rocks. They'd be underwater, and also got a couple trees sticking out in the water you'd have to worry about hitting. So if the water was up to where I'm standing, I would go up through here and miss those rocks. I may come down here tomorrow, I'll bring my boat, or I'll go to Cherokee Park boat ramp, one or the other. I haven't been down here at this spot in years. I got fishing poles and tackle box in my truck. Thought about fishing while I was here, but you can see there's water washing up, or mud in the water, I meant to say, washing up. And also the wind blowing, you couldn't cast your line out too good. Don't know if it'd do any good to try to fish. Got my fishing stuff with me. This man's unloading the boat. Of course, he's got a motor on it. I'm just looking if I might want to throw out my line right here. So I'm going to cut the camera off. These people may not like being on video, but if I start to fish here, I'll make another video. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.